Turn your night in Playa del Carmen into a Yucatecan cooking party filled with flavor, drinks, and laughter. Guided by Chef Luis, you'll sip refreshing margaritas while preparing some of Mexico's most beloved dishes, from fresh guacamole to authentic tacos with all the toppings. The atmosphere is lively and social, with plenty of chances to share stories, laugh with new friends, and dive into the culinary traditions of the Yucatan. Once the cooking is done, you'll sit down to enjoy the feast you created together, a table full of food, drinks, and memories you'll carry long after your trip. This isn't just a cooking class, it's a celebration of Mexican hospitality.